Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to interact with websites using Python. We'll cover the basics of web scraping and demonstrate how to send HTTP requests, parse HTML content, and extract useful information from websites. We'll use the requests library for sending HTTP requests and BeautifulSoup for HTML parsing. Before we start, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from python.org. Additionally, install the required libraries by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. The first step in interacting with a website is to send an HTTP request to its server. We'll use the requests library to do this. Let's start with a simple example. Replace https://www.example.com with the URL of the website you want to interact with. Once we have the HTML content of a web page, we need to parse it to extract the information we want. BeautifulSoup is a powerful library for parsing HTML and XML documents. Let's extend our example. Now, let's extract more specific information from the web page. In this example, we'll extract all the links, anchor tags, from the web page. This tutorial covers the basics of interacting with websites using Python. You can build upon this foundation to perform more advanced tasks, such as form submission, handling cookies, and navigating through multiple pages. Always be respectful of a website's terms of service and consider its policies when scraping or interacting with its content. ChatGPT.